Hi everybody. So today is level 1 training. Anybody can join, and everyone who goes through the 7 questions that you're going to email back to me, and we're going to go back and forth until you get these 7 questions right, then you will receive a diploma from System 1 on the completion of level 1 training. Level 1 training is for somebody who maybe has never polished a car before, or for just an update if you're a detailer and you're going into customers' houses or businesses. This would be an update on how to properly use System 1 Luminex polish for your detailing needs. We have 3 levels. Level number 1, we're going to go from basic to, very productive polishing techniques on, how to get a certain amount of scratches removed from the paint. And we're going to talk about that. Then level 2 would be an intermediate, removing a more aggressive scratch. And then level 3 would be basically any scratch that a detailer is going to come upon on a customer that brings a car to the shop. All using one single product, which is called System 1 Luminex Polish. So the first question, really important. Question number 1, when we're polishing a car, are there dangers? This is the whole premise on why I invented System 1. Obviously, you've heard the story, my guy's using products that basically damage the paint, but using them in a controlled fashion so that I, as a business owner, could make money. Well, could there be a better way? And yes, I believe we've found that better way, and that is by using one single product. Now, why did those other products fail? So we have to look at what we're polishing, and that is the paint. Now, sometimes it's a single stage where you're polishing the car or the truck or the motorhome or the boat, and you're actually getting color on your pad. That is called single stage paint finishes. It could be acrylic enamel, could be acrylic lacquer, or it could be acrylic urethane. So if you're polishing single stage, it's going to be the same as polishing what we see on most cars today, which is clear coat. The color is covered by a urethane clear coat. How thick is urethane clear coat? See, this becomes the problem. If you're polishing on a car and you're using a multi-step program and you've ever burned through the paint, you know how horrifying that is. You've got to explain to the customer. The customer is going to want that area fixed. This is going to cost far more than you ever charged polishing that car. So it really takes the fun out of having a little business polishing cars. So that's why we need to understand the parameters of polishing paint. The paint thickness on any new car is between 1.5 to 2 mils thick. This is a very, very thin surface. And if you burn through that clear coat, you're now into the color coat, and there is no protection left on that clear coat. So the first question will be, what is the mil thickness on what polishing? Normally it's clear coat. So we're just going to stay with the mil thickness of clear coat. What is the mil thickness for clear coat? And you're going to email me that. That's question number 1. Question number 2. What is the tool that we are learning on in level 1 training? Dual action, 5-inch, 15 millimeter stroke DA tool. It can be corded or battery powered. And there are many, many choices. We have tools for you on our website So if you like, we're a flex dealer and we can walk you through the different options on these particular tools, whether it be corded or battery powered. So that is question number 2. Question number 3. What is the pad that we are going to be attaching to the tool? Again, there are thousands of options. And I don't want to make this any more confusing than it already is. So I want to walk you through a very simple system for this class on using a pad that we have chosen at System 1. And that is the CSI blue 5-inch foam pad. It is for cutting and finishing. And we have found that this pad, all by itself, and we're using it as an all-in-one with the System 1 Luminex polish to remove the scratches and develop a deliverable finish, all with one pad and one product. So, what is the pad that we are choosing? And I want you to write that down and email me that for question number 3. Question number 4. We talk a lot about who we are, what we're doing. So I want you to understand that this product is all we're going to be using, whether it's in this class, level 1, or level 2, or level 3. And each one of these classes will have paint finishes that are mild scratches all the way to as bad as it gets. Sometimes those scratches are not removable because they've broken through the clear coat. And we'll explain that to you so that you can explain that to your friends or your customers on what you're doing so that they can expect to see what you're going to deliver rather than have some hope of removing a scratch that's clearly through the finish and you can't do anything about it. There aren't normally a lot of scratches on a car that are through the entire clear coat. But every once in a while you will find a rock chip that went through it, and we're going to explain in this class how that works. So the main thing is what polish are we using? And that is System 1 Luminex Level 1 polish. So one product for doing all your detailing needs. So that is the answer to question number 4. Question number 5. What is the pattern or technique that we use with this tool? Very important, because as you're doing this, if you use a different technique, you're going to have a completely different outcome using this pad and polish. So it's very important that we follow the simple directions on a proper technique. And that is back and forth. So we're going to go left to right or right to left with a 50% overlap on the pad to the surface, and a 2 to 4 pound pressure on that pad. That's not very much, And it's very important that we don't apply any more pressure for this type of scratch removal, because we're asking a medium to fine cut pad to do fine work. And the only way that we can control that is by using less pressure. So the question is, what is the proper technique? And then I want you to answer that as best as you can with the answer that I gave, because I want to make sure that you understand how to properly polish using System 1. Question number 6. So this is you learning how to demonstrate, explain, and show your work. Because every one of us who do this are going to have to explain to ourselves first what's going on, and we're obviously looking for great results, and I want to help you, and this will tell me that you're understanding how to use the tool and the polish and the pad to get the kind of results necessary to finish your work. Whether you're selling your work to somebody else or you're doing this work on your car and you just are looking for a beautiful finish. So I want you to show your a before picture of what you're doing, and if you can, videotape yourself polishing the surface, or have somebody else video you with your cell phone back and forth, the amount of pressure, and how you actually did this work, and then wiping it off and showing off your finish on the surface. That is the answer to question number 6, showing your work. So question number 7. There are a lot of different companies out there, a lot of choices, and I thank you for choosing System 1, but there is a motto that we have, and that is going way back to when we first developed this system of single product polishing. We are safer. You've heard me speak about mill gauge measuring, why it's important when polishing paint that you don't burn through the surface. So we are safer because we're only using one product. We are faster because we're only using one product. And at the end of the day, it's going to be less expensive, whether it's pad purchases, tool purchases, or product purchases. One single product or single product polishing is absolutely faster than a multi-product system. So that is the answer to question number 7. What is our motto? So please answer those questions, email them back to me, and you're going to show me your work. You're going to make sure that you understand that you are actually certified, that you're understanding questions 1 to 7, and you will receive a free diploma from us. And then I want you to join me on level number 2, where we're going to get more aggressive. And I hope you can join me on level number 3, because we're going to give a diploma with each one of these levels. But on level number 3, you also receive a System 1 t-shirt. And we're just finishing those up right now. I can't wait till you see them. They're great. We had them before. The artwork is awesome. Obviously updated a little bit. And I want you to have that for free from System 1. So thanks a lot, everybody, for joining in. And I hope to see you on level number 2.